Okay, it's Sunday. It's 10 after 10. We were working at Kevin's shop, but then ran into a mismatch on some parts, and that stopped us from finishing up the work up there. So we came down here and just dropped on the tank on this bike and made some new gas lines. And we believe that it's ready for a first start. I checked, we've got oil in the tank about halfway. We've got gas flow into the carb and it's not leaking. We tickled it okay, got a good tickle. And we're going to put this thing down now and give it a stroke and see what happens. All right, both the right and the left pipes are blued from previous running before we got the bike. And you've got ignition on, you've got a good tickle. Good snap, good slack on the throttle cables. That's not bad.
I'll take it.
Yeah. See, we haven't done anything with the timing. The timing is set on the right-hand side in the timing case, and it is a Boyer. We are still going to take the primary off and double check the timing with a strobe light, but right now it was a running bike and we expect it to be a running bike. And that says timing might be off.
Yeah.
Not bad. A little more tickle and see what happens.
Let go of the throttle immediately. I may be giving it too much too quick.
Yeah, roll on slightly.
Yeah.
Now there's no choke in it. It has a choke lever, but no choke.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, good. We're going to check that timing.
Yeah.
Good oil flow.
Yeah, there's oil flow. I can see it.
Let it warm up a little more. Just let it sit there for a while.
Getting oil out of the back end.
All right, out of the
Quite a bit, yeah, out of the blowhole. Yeah. Yeah, sounds good. Maybe it's the wind. I'm gonna cover these with something.
Yeah. I'm going to make a strap to go across here,
Yeah.
and then I'll cover those. We'll check clearance on the seat. Damn, that thing sounds good.
Yeah, it's really good.
That's a great idle.
That's nice. Yeah.
You know, there's a lot to be said for monoblock carburetors.
Yeah, that's for sure. It works a long time.
Watch the flash. See it?
Yep.
Nice. Watch over there on the toolbox. Watch the headlight. It flares very nicely. So it is charging.
All good.
Tail light. Give me a brake. Brake.
Still switching.
That's a good idea. Kill switch. There it goes.
Doing what it's supposed to do.
Man, you can't beat that with a stick. That's
No,
a gorgeous.
lovely.
That is a gorgeous idle.
Yeah, it really is. That's nice.
All right, here's what we're going to do. You're going to love this. I messed up my back at
Yep.
Kevin's place lifting the tail end of a bike, and I shouldn't have done that. So I'm going to call it a day. I'm
Okay.
going to go lay on a heating pad.
That's a good idea.
Ibuprofen and a heating pad.
There you go.
Now, let me say this about that. I'm going to show you this oil here that's being blown out of the sump breather. Now, I don't know how many of you are familiar with this, but this is a bad design. What they did is they took the sump vent tube out of the bottom of the engine, brought it up here into this Y fitting. I'll zoom in, but I don't think you can see it. There's a Y fitting right there. You can see it. And then they took one outlet of the Y and brought it up here to the gazinta into the oil tank. And then the other leg goes down here, around here, and out the back end of the bike. The concept was that magic would happen right here, and that the pressure from the sump would go out the back, and the oil from the sump would go into the oil tank. Well, we can see how well that works. Bad design, and it didn't get any better with age. So what I like to do is take the tube from the sump and run it directly into the tank without the Y. And then put a fitting in the top of this oil cap, a right angle fitting, here, and put a vent out the back end of the bike. And that way, oil will go into the tank, the pressure will go out the back end of the bike, and you won't get this oil blowout. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll put the seat on it, and we'll do a test ride maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. But right now, I need to go lay down on a hot bed because my back is killing me. So that's where we are. We're going to call it. You're going to go back to your place.
Yep.
Okay.
Put the front wheel on.
You're going to put the front wheel on. You got the new. Yep. Okay.
Set those forks.
Good.
Call it a day.
We're done. Hi, guys. Well, hello. Say hi to the world.
Yeah. My neighbor from around the corner.
Yeah. Okay.